Welcome friends. This question which appeared in CAT exam 2019. In this question we have to find which teacher has set which question of an examination paper. So there are certain first year students and they are split into 6 sections. And in 2019 the business statistics course was taught in these section by 6 teachers, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, right? All 6 sections had a common midterm and common end term exams worth 100 marks each. Now ET end term contains more questions than midterm. Questions for midterm and end term were prepared collectively by all the 6 faculty members. Midterm and ET together, each faculty member prepared the same number of questions. Okay, there's stress on same number of questions. Each of MT and MT had at least 4 questions. It was not 5 marks. Okay, I'll come to this. So these these are questions. First, what we'll do, we'll convert the English language into what we can understand in logical reasoning. So we have first statement, ET contained more questions than MT. So we can simply write it, ET has more questions than MT. Now considering MT and ET together, each faculty member prepared the same number of questions. There is stress on same. Each MT and ET had at least 4 questions that were worth 5 marks. So marks would be like 5 into 4. 3 questions that were worth 10. 2 questions that were worth 15. This makes total of 80, right? So 20 marks are remaining. So 20 marks could be either in the form of 5 into 4 or 5 into 2 plus 10 or 5 plus 15 or 10 into 2. Okay. The total questions we have earlier were 4, 3 and 2. So 9 questions are there, plus we can have either 4 questions 5 into 4, or there could be 3 questions in this configuration, or there could be 2 questions in either of these configuration. The total questions would be either 13, 12 or 11. So that could be questions configuration, right? Now we know the following additional facts are known. Any prepared the question for both MT and ET. For MT, these questions carried 5 marks. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll write MT and ET. So minimum at least 11 questions would be there for MT, right? So we'll write it like this and find out which question was of how many marks and who prepared that. So at least 11 question would be in MT and at least 12 question would be in ET. Now we'll go to this statement. Any prepared the 5th question for both MT and ET. This is Annie's question. This question carried 5 marks. This is 5 marks question. Okay. Now Annie prepared 1 question for MT. Okay, this is the only question which Annie is prepared in this. Every other faculty prepared more than 1 question for MT. Okay. All questions prepared by a faculty member appeared consecutively in MT as well as ET. Chetan prepared the 3rd question in both MT and ET. Chetan prepared 3rd question here also and here also. Isha prepared 8 questions in both. It is Isha's question here and Isha's question here. Fakir prepared the 1st question of MT. This is Fakir's question. And the last one in ET, which could be 12th or 13th question. I'm writing it here. The way prepared last question of MT, it could be either 11th or 12th, and the first one in ET. Okay, now we see, we also know from our statement above that all the 5 marks questions preceded 10 marks question, and all the 15 marks question followed the 10 marks question. So it would be like all the 5 marks would come first, then 10 marks questions, then 15 marks question, right? So since any prepared fifth question and it was 5 marks, so all before it are of 5 marks each. Similarly for ET also. Now coming to next fact, for coming to second statement, for MT, every faculty member prepared more than one question for MT. Okay. Also, all questions prepared by a faculty member appeared consecutively in MT as well as ET. Now, since everyone has prepared more than 2 questions, so Fakir has more than 1 question, so Fakir has prepared question number 1 and 2. It is more than. Then Chetan also has prepared more than 1 question. Okay, and these questions are appearing consecutively. And we also know that all the faculty members have prepared same number of questions, right? So if all the faculty members have prepared same number of questions, that means questions could be, if the sum is 11 plus 12, that means 23, right? It could be 11 plus 3, 13, that is 24. So 24 is even number, so that should be the total number of questions in 2. That means each faculty member has prepared 4 questions and their questions are appearing consecutively. So we see C's questions third and fourth here, which are appearing consecutively. So D's question should also appear consecutively, right? C is also. Now A, total 4 questions would be, 1 is here, 3 would be here, right? Now E's consecutive would be here, since it is more than 2, more than 1 for MT, and 2 has come here, so 1 question would be here. Okay, now we know total number of questions in MT are 11 and question number of ET are 13. That makes 24. 11 plus 13 makes 24, right? As ET has to be greater than MT. So last question, this was by D. Last question here was by F. Okay, F2 has already appeared in MT. The F2 would be here. The ways 2 has appeared in ET. So these 2 would be the ways. Now E has to come consecutively, so it has to be 8th and 9th. And we are remaining with B. So B would be 6 and 7 in MT. And question number 10 and 11 in ET. Okay, now we have to see which questions have come. So 5 marks question could be either for 11 we have this option, right? So that means either 5 plus 15, so 2 questions extra, 5 plus 15 or 10 by 2, but we have already 5 into 4, so there has to be 4 questions of 5 which are mandatory. 1 question this has appeared here, so there would have been, this combination has been used. 1 question, 1 extra question was of 5 marks, 1 extra question was of 15 marks. So we have 3 10 marks questions which are prepared by here, and then 15 marks questions. That will be 2 minimum and 1 extra question. Okay, for the case of 13 we have this combo 9 plus 4, and 4 questions are of 5 marks each. The 5 questions have already appeared. Rest of the 4 would be these. Then we have 5 plus 4, 9. Sorry, 4 plus 4, 8. 4 were mandatory and 4 extra. So then we'll have 10 marks questions, 3 questions of 10 marks each, then 2 questions of 15 marks each. So this is how we solve this type of questions, and then we'll come to the problem. First question here is, the second question in ET was prepared by whom? The second question in ET was prepared by Dave. Answer is Dave first. How many 5 marks questions were there in MT and ET combined? So there are 5 questions in MT and there are 8 questions in ET. So that means total of 13 questions. Who prepared 15 marks question for MT and ET? So 15 marks questions were prepared by Eric and Dave here and F Fakir here. So the answer is E, T and F. Sorry, Isha, Dave and Fakir. So that is option 4. Which of the following questions did Betty prepare in ET? So Betty in ET prepared question number 10 and 11 of 10 marks each. So question answer here is 4th. Right? So that's all for today. We'll see you again for one more complex problem tomorrow.